Hello friends and welcome to my channel Knitting Kitty. In my previous tutorial I showed you how to crochet this cute graduation owl. I also promised to make a separate video on how to make these wire glasses. You can use wire of different gauge and different color. I prefer using wire which is softer and with smaller gauge because it will be easier to bend. Next step is to choose a round shaped object. We will use it to create the circles of the glasses. You can use anything you want depending on the size you want to make. For smaller glasses, you can use a pen, a pencil or a marker. For bigger glasses, you can use a lipstick, any small bottle or a bottle cap. And finally, you will need pliers to cut the extra length of the wire and to bend the glasses ends. First, we are going to make small glasses. Then we are going to create bigger ones. Also, I'll show you how to make square glasses using a square object. Let's get started. First, I'm going to make the smaller glasses using a wire with really small gauge. For the small glasses, cut a piece of wire approximately 20 centimeters long. In this case, I'm going to use a marker to create the glasses circles. Leave about 3 or 4 centimeters piece of wire for the glasses temple. Then wrap the wire once around the marker. Our first circle is ready. Now, leave a small distance for the glasses bridge. Then turn the wire upside down and wrap it once again around the marker to create the second circle. Finally, bend the two ends of the wire to create the glasses temples. The temples should be the same size. If it's needed, you can cut the extra piece of wire. And that's it. Our small glasses are ready. Now let's make bigger glasses. In this case, for my graduation owl. It's very important to choose a rounded object that covers the eyes of the amigurumi. This way the glasses will be the right size. This time I'm going to use a wire with bigger gauge and in different color, but the steps you have to make are just the same as for the smaller glasses. Cut a piece of wire, in this case approximately 30 centimeters long. My rounded object will be a lip balm. Leave about 3 or 4 centimeter piece of wire for the temple. Then wrap the wire around the lip balm. Our first circle is ready. Now, leave a small distance for the glasses bridge. Turn the wire upside down and wrap it once again around the lip balm to form the second circle. Finally, bend the two ends of the wire to create the glasses temples. If it's needed, you can cut the extra piece of wire. And our big glasses are ready. If you want bigger glasses, just use bigger rounded object. Finally, I will show you how to make these cute square glasses. You will need a square object. You can use a cloth pack or you can build your own square object using Lego parts, as I did using my son's Lego. Cut a piece of wire approximately 30 centimeters long. Leave about 4 or 5 centimeters piece of wire for the glasses temple. Then wrap the wire around the square object. The first lens is ready. Now leave a small distance for the glasses bridge. Then turn the wire upside down and wrap it once again around the square object to form the second lens. Finally, bend the two ends of the wire to create the glasses temples, and if it's needed, you can cut the extra piece of wire using the pliers. And that's it, our square glasses are ready. Now you can create all kinds and sizes of glasses for your dolls and for your amigurumi. See you soon!